it.
Are you arresting me?
No, you called us.
Sit.
I'm confused. What would you like me to do?
I'm deaf. I can't hear you.
Are you actually deaf? Okay, how can I help you?
I can't hear you.
Were you guys able to communicate with her?
That's like what she's acting like though. That's what she's trying to. I try to help her.
Well, if you weren't listening to Kevin Gates, you could probably hear us fine.
Did you talk to her at all? Did she talk to you at all?
She talking.
What did she say?
Come on.
Can you understand me? You want to walk to the front with me?
I can't. I am deaf.
I'll write it down.
Yeah, I don't know. Two dogs.
You guys want your trespass?
Yeah, I do. What are you doing? This is comical. Okay. Have fun with your dance.
Let's go.
Apparently,
What are we doing?
Apparently the dog's not deaf. What's she trying to return?
Ma'am, you read that? Are you gonna leave?
I paid for that though.
Right. Okay.
Let's go.
So take it with you.
I'm trespassed.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So leave.
Leave. Can you just tell her in our presence that she's trespassed? You are
I paid for this item earlier today, and I'm not leaving until I get a replacement.
out there refunding.
All right, let's take me out.
Do you have a receipt?
Let's go.
Stop.
Take me out.
Don't touch me.
You want to go to jail?
Take me out. Take me out, officer, deputy, sheriff. Take me out.
If you don't leave, you're gonna
Just leave.
If you don't leave, you're gonna go to jail, and the dog's gonna go to the ACC.
Excuse me?
If you don't leave,
My dog's on a leash.
yeah, but your dog. When you go to jail, your dog's gonna go to the ACC.
Let's go to jail, please. I love it.
Are you refusing to leave? Here.
Oh my god.
Do you have your name and date of birth, or LP wants to?
I love jail. I go all the time.
Can you just tell her that if she doesn't leave, she's doing her trespass.
I got your information.
She needs to leave, and if not, I'll take her to jail.
Oh no.
Alright, so you are not allowed back here for 1 year. If you do come back here for 1 year, we'll see you in here. We're going to call them. They're going to come here.
All right, ma'am. So you're officially trespassed.
You're trespassed as of
I'm trespassed?
Yeah.
You work here?
Yep.
You don't look like you work here.
That's right.
Well, I'm trespassed. Let's go. Why are you not handcuffing me if
You're
I'm
refusing to
trespassed?
leave?
I'm wanting to go in cuffs. Thank you. This is what y'all wanted.
It's not what you wanted.
Are they able to come on?
I love
Take
jail.
one of the cuffs off.
And where's my item that I paid for?
You let go of the dog.
My attorney's gonna love this.
Ma'am, you had ample opportunity to leave.
Literally.
Can you just get his 14? I'll write it out. It's my pleasure to take this case. No, seriously.
That's Prince Charles. Don't f with me.
Take this case. Yeah, we'll take it with her for her stuff.
That's my shit, and that's my shit. My black item? The phone thing?
Yes.
Okay, great. My attorney is gonna love.
Well, we asked you to leave like a million times.
You're right. It looks better if I slow down. Yeah.
It does. You're on my time now.
Oh. Hey, what are you doing? You can stand up and walk. Can you walk?
What are you doing? Hold both her arms. She wants to change that.
I love problems. I love chaos.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
So much problems always.
What is your...
Stand up and walk. Here, look at that.
You're hurting me.
Yeah, well, that's tough.
Man, stand up and walk. Jess, you want to take the dog? I'll pick her up. Here, Eric, I'll pick her up. Ma'am, you need to stand up. Ready? You put her in my car.
Love it.